Welcome to this introduction to how to manage international multidisciplinary research projects, a book originally commissioned by Elgar in 2021, published in hardback and ebook format, and also now in paperback. The purpose of this collection of video clips by the contributors to the various case studies in the book is to promote the guide itself, but also provide material to help with an online training course that's also going to be provided, and I'll introduce that towards the end of this video. The book itself is targeted at a range of different end users, most obviously mid-career academic and also non-academic researchers from all disciplines who are preparing to manage international multidisciplinary projects. Particular attention is paid to the role played within these projects by social science researchers. The guide is also targeted at academic and non-academic researchers who are at key milestones in their careers. It will also be of interest to established researchers in the UK and in the wider Europe, and indeed further afield, seeking to expand their knowledge and experience in the areas covered. The guide has multiple aims. It seeks to improve understanding of the many challenges arising in research that cross disciplinary, national and cultural boundaries. It provides examples of how project managers can negotiate funding from a variety of sources, how they work to meet funders' requirements, plan and implement complex research designs, and ensure engagement with stakeholders. It sets out to accompany project managers through the process of developing and applying strategies that will enable them to bridge what are often deep-seated disciplinary and cultural divides. To assist the project coordinators in implementing effective, integrated approaches to the design and delivery of high-quality, high-value research across disciplines, across sectors and societies. Each chapter draws lessons from the real-life experiences of established researchers in managing international multidisciplinary projects. The guide is structured in two parts. The first part contains 3 substantive chapters that present an overview of the development of international multidisciplinary research projects and the process of managing them. The first chapter documents the ways in which the research landscape has become internationalized in the post-war period, while exploring different pathways to multidisciplinarity. It also looks at the development from theory to practice in international multidisciplinary research, specifically in the case of social sciences, before setting the scaling up of these twin developments in the wider context of enduring global crises. The second and third chapters take users through the structure of the case study chapters. Chapter 2 covers preparations for managing research in international multidisciplinary settings. It looks at the processes of securing funding for international multidisciplinary projects before examining different approaches to project coordination and management, and considering the many issues involved in successfully building an international multidisciplinary research team. Chapter 3 focuses on the actual management of the research process by considering research orientations, designs and methods, communication, engagement and dissemination, and the lessons learned by participants during the process. The second part of the guide consists of 10 case studies. Each chapter is structured according to the same broad subsections as in part 1, to enable users to track information about the different stages in the process by reading the case studies both horizontally and vertically, and by referring to the tables in chapters 1 to 3 and the entries in the index. Each of the accompanying video clips draws out the lessons learned by participants in the research, focusing on the specific aspects of the project, structuring chapters 2 and 3. As you can see on this slide, and also on the next, the 10 case study chapters have 5 thematic areas as another method to organise the information in the guide. In addition to the guide itself, with sponsorship from the Academy of Social Sciences and the Social Research Association, and based upon the Elgar Guide itself, we're offering a one-day online training course designed to answer the needs of mid-career researchers seeking to achieve more effective project design, management, and delivery. You can view the course description and video clips by participants in the case study projects by clicking on the links. We're also able to provide tailored courses to meet the needs of international research teams. For further information about the training courses, we invite you to contact me, Dave Filipovich Carter, since I'll be delivering the training courses. I hope you found this introduction to the guide and to the training of use. I invite you now to explore the video clips accompanying it.